In this video, today we are going to learn Term to Geography Unit 1 Resources. Okay, in this learning objectives, that is to introduce the meaning of resources, to familiarize with the different types of resources, then to understand the need for conservation of resources, that is conservation is பாதுகாத்தல், then to understand the meaning of economic activities, பொருளாதார செயல்பாடுகள். Okay. Biotic resources, that is biotics means all living things. Okay, the biotic factors were basic substance, that is அடிப்படை பொருள்கள், till they were organized by humans. So the humans organized in order. Okay, organized in an organized means arranged in an order. Humans only arrange this. Okay, biotic factors were basic needs for humans. So they are now, till now they are arranging one by one. Then according to human needs. Okay, according to human needs means what are the needs for us? Substances, that is basic needs. They were collected and preserved for use. So what are the things used for us? That is basic needs, that is food, clothing and shelter. These three are very important for our needs. Okay, all the human beings need this. So these things they preserve and keep for our daily use. Okay, then primary activities, that is very small business, that is செயல்பாடுகள். First is hunting. Okay, single person can do this for his daily uh, food. Okay, that is hunting. Then food gathering, then fishing and forestry. Individual person can do this work for his daily lives. Abiotic resources, that is உயிரற்ற வளங்கள். Okay, early man went in search of better land forms for agriculture and their cattle. So early man in the initial period in ancient time they used to hunt and eat. Later they learned agriculture. After learning agriculture, what they did, they went and settled near the rivers. Okay, farms for agriculture and their cattle nearby, it will be easy for them for cultivation. So that only they settle near the rivers, that is search of better landforms. Then primarily the tools were only made of stones. So in the beginning they don't have any iron, that metals like iron, copper, like that. So they used the as all the tools were made of stones. They sharpened the stones and made as tools for for cutting the trees and tear the skin of animals. For that and all they used only stone tools. Next, later man dug the earth for better abiotic resources. Abiotic resources means உயிரற்ற. Okay, they found, that is abiotic resources means உயிரற்ற, that is copper. Okay, metal, copper first and then iron later. After finding that, they made metals made of this, tools made of this metals, that is mined precious. Next, mined precious like gold, platinum, silver metals were used for making ornaments நகைகள். Okay, they used to wear so much jewels. So at that time, after finding this, they used to wear the metals made of very precious metals, that is um, precious means very costly. Okay, then later mining became one of the leading primary activities. Leading primary activity, mining means suranga tolil. Okay, it became leading means முன்னணியில் உள்ளது. Okay, primary activity, that also a small work, but this mining only came first. முன்னணி means all were doing that work, so much value for that. Okay, on the basis of development. Okay, next, in this actual resources means கண்டறியப்பட்ட வளங்கள். In this resources, see, that is resources that are being used as quality means அளவு, available is known. So some quality, so much thing. Okay, some amount, some in kg or liters, like that. So that amount, how much is there, we will be knowing. Coal, so we can see that how much quality is there. For example, coal at Neyveli, we can, after seeing that itself, how much ton is there, how much ton that coal is there, like that we can find. That is அளவை கண்டறிதல். Okay, next, potential resources. Potential resources means மறைந்திருக்கும் வளங்கள், that is resources that are not being used in present and its quality and location are not known. அளவும் that area, so we may not be knowing. So technology to extract such resources is also yet to be developed. That is தொழில்நுட்பம், that is technology means it varies, extract means it varies such resources, and also yet to be developed. Technology only develops these resources. For example, marine yeast used in baking, then brewing, wing, bioethical and pharmaceutical protein production found in Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. On basis of exhaustibility, that is renewability. Renewability resources means புதுப்பித்தல், that is resources once consumed can be renewed with passage of time. That is, for example, air, water and sunlight. Misuse of such resources can also limit its availability. That is non-renewable resources. Okay, non-renewable resources means புதுப்பிக்க இயலாத. Okay, that is resources which are limited. For example, coal, petroleum, natural gas and other minerals, they become exhausted after use. On the basis of distribution, that is localized resources. Tamil meaning is உள்ளூர் வளங்கள். Okay, it can be found only in some particular regions. There only it can be found. That is resources present in specific regions, that is minerals. Next, universal resources. Universal resources, that is உலகளாவிய வளங்கள். Resources present everywhere, that is sunlight and air. On the basis of ownership, that is தனிநபர். Okay, those who are doing individual work, that is individual resources. Individual resources means privately owned by individuals. A single person can do that. Okay, that is, for example, apartments, he can do with the help of others. Okay, that is example, apartments. Community owned resources, that is utilized by members of a community, that is public parks. Okay, national resources, that is நாட்டு வளங்கள் within potential boundaries and oceanic areas, that is அரசியல் எல்லை, oceanic areas. Boundaries and oceanic areas means அரசியல் எல்லை. Then tropical forest region, that is tropical rainforest are called the world's largest pharmacy, as 25% of natural vegetation or medicinal plants. Here all the that is medicinal plants, natural vegetation, it can be found in this forest. 25% can be found in this forest. Next, international resources. International resources means பன்னாட்டு வளங்கள், that is oceanic resources can be utilized only after an international agreement, after the agreement of between the countries, okay, nations, then only it can be utilized, the work can be started. That is ambergris. And extracted from sperm whale, that is a pound 0.454 kg, rupees 63,000, used in perfume industries. In perfume industries they use this ambergris. Okay. Okay, man-made resources, that is மனிதனால் உருவாக்கப்பட்ட வளங்கள். See, natural resources are modified or produced by technology into man-made resources. By technology only it is made in made, okay, man-made resources. Then for example, sugar cane processed to get sugar. Then all structures built by man can also be called man-made resources. For example, bridges, houses, roads. Next, secondary activities, that is transformation of raw materials into finished goods. Okay, when it is completed, then they will send to some industries. Then for example, cycle also. Okay, it after it is completed, that is called secondary resources. After every all the work is completed, that is materials into finished products. Okay, man's skills and ideas are the basic requirements for this activity. So due to the man's skill, that is திறமை, மனிதனின் திறமையால் he gets more idea, and all the basic needs for these activities are made by man because of his, the main thing is skill. Okay, in this video we have completed part 2. Then in part 3, in the next video we can learn.